Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel CodeCamp, and today we'll see how to use variables in Jupyter, and see how to take input and how to give output on the screen using Jupyter. So for that you need to load the Jupyter window and then click on new and click on Python 3. So this is the first line. This line is called as the input line. So whatever you will type here, it will be executed or processed by Jupyter, and output will be shown in the output window. So let's see, for example, if I write 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 simple addition I am doing, addition of two numbers in Jupyter Notebook. So to execute it, you have to click on run. So you will see output is 5. So you will see two lines, one is inline and one is outline. So inline is for input and outline is for output. So you will see it has displayed me the result, which is pretty easy in Jupyter. So that's why we call Python as a very powerful and wonderful language. So next is, now if you want to use variables, now exactly what are variables? So variables you can take as named memory locations. For example, in maths, you do maths with the x and y values, with a and b values. So these are variables. They hold value for a certain duration till the time you are executing something, and then they store the result also inside them. So this is the concept of variables. We use variables to keep the end result, or we use it for doing operations, arithmetic operations, or a whole lot of things. So variable is an integral part of any programming language. So we'll see how we will store any value inside the variable. So let's say I'm taking a variable as x is equal to, and I want to store some value in this. So I'm writing x is equal to 7 plus 2 and click on run. Now you will see that there is no output, because I have stored this value 7 plus 2 inside the variable x. So now what I need to do is I have to print the value of x. Now how will I print the value of x? I have to just type x and click on run. See, can you see this 9 over here? So this is displaying the result of this addition. 7 plus 2 is 9, and the result is stored in x, which is a variable, and you have to simply write x to see its value. So no print statement, nothing. You have to just put the variable name and you will be able to see the result. So this is the way you can use variables in Python. In my next video, I'll discuss more about how to use arithmetic operators along with variables, different kind of arithmetic operators. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.